Hey guys, Richard here with Down Grid Survival. Coming at you with another truck rumble for a second here. I think this week a lot of people are going to experience something very uncomfortable, and it's going to maybe bring a lot of things to the forefront of their mind, and they'll have a realization that things are just not right. And I'm talking about the heat index that's getting ready to set in here around the country. Last I checked a couple days ago, they were predicting, a heat index of 100, 105, in places for a good portion of the United States. That's a problem because, of course, we heard just a couple of weeks ago that our energy crisis here in the United States is just compounding and getting worse and worse, along with pretty much everything else, right? But with the energy crisis, they are already predicting that about 2/3 of the United States is going to be susceptible to blackouts, okay? Because there's just not enough electricity this summer. They're not able to generate enough electricity. Largely because a lot of the dams, hydro plants and stuff are not producing electricity at full capacity. Some of them have even shut down, and just a number of reasons, but there's just not enough electricity. And they started talking about this a month ago, and now we're getting ready to have a significant heat wave come through, and it's not even technically summer yet, and they're already talking about heat indexes of 100 plus. So I think my prediction is we're going to start to see some blackouts this week, where good portions of the country might start seeing just not having the electricity that they need to try to cool their homes and their offices and buildings, and there just won't be enough electricity to go around, and that's uncomfortable. That's unfortunate, and and there's just not a whole lot you can do about it other than take steps now to get ready for it, to try to stay cool. If you're lucky enough to have a solar system or some type of battery operated system, or you can run a fan for a while or something, maybe cool down. Other than that, there's just a lot of folks that don't. You can't sit in your car. You can't jump in the car and turn on the car thinking you get some relief from the air conditioning in your car, because who can afford that when it's gas is $5, $6 a gallon? There's just going to be a lot of people suffering, and it's not just this week. It's just going to continue moving forward. You're going to see things in our country where things continue to degrade, and our infrastructure has been in bad shape for a long time. But I think it's going to really, we're really going to see it this summer, and that's unfortunate. So do what you can to get ready. Hey, look, some of you have deep pockets, I know that, and some of you can afford it. I would suggest jumping out there and grabbing something like the new Ecoflow Wave. I did a video on that recently where I just got one, and we're still doing some testing with it, but it's battery operated. You can recharge it via solar, and you can cool a small room to get some relief. And that's a really good option for tents, RVs, a small room in your house, small cabin. If you can afford it, good for you. Go put your money to use and buy one of those. And I'll drop a link down in the description below, because I am affiliated with them, and that would help this channel out greatly if you go out and purchase one of those. But understand that a lot of people can't drop $1,500, $2,000 on a portable air conditioner. That's crazy. But anyway, that's about it for this video. Just wanted to bring you this heads up and say, hey, get ready for it, because it's on, and a lot of people are gonna have to experience that down grid survival. They're gonna be in that mode this week, is what I'm thinking. And if for some reason not this week, that's great, but it's certainly coming, and it's unfortunately, I think it's coming for all of us real soon. So hey, if you like this content, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, because this channel is small and we're still growing, and we could really use your support. So if you get a little value out of the things I'm sharing with you, please smash that like button and help me spread this video, and go ahead and subscribe so that you can see more videos that I put out. And let's see if we can't grow this channel together, because I really could use your support. And if you hear that noise, it's starting to rain, which is both good and bad. We need the rain here in Florida, but Man, it just makes the humidity so much worse. Hey, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.